for a feeling half as strong. Every smile just fades and falls apart somehow. Nothing feels the way it did with you all along. I've tried to find somebody new, but every road leads back to you. Who could compare to what we had? Who could replace the good times and the bad? Nobody holds me like you do. Nobody sees me through and through. Tell me who could compare to you? Who could compare to you? Your laughter echoing in empty rooms. See your shadow dancing in the morning light. Every moment without you just amplifies the truth that you're the only one who ever got it right. I've tried to move on, start brand new, but my heart keeps calling out for you. Who could compare to what we had? Who could replace the good times and the bad? Nobody holds me like you do. Nobody sees me through and through. Tell me who could compare to you? Who could compare to you? Maybe I'm a fool for holding on so tight. Maybe letting go would set me free. But I'd rather have these memories burning bright than a hollow love that's not what it should be. Who could compare to what we had? Who could replace the good times and the bad? Nobody holds me like you do. Nobody sees me through and through. Tell me who could compare? No one compares to you. No one compares to you. Who could compare?